Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the unboxing of Ugg Australia. I got them on Black Friday as it was sale here. So they came very fast from California, I think in 1 or 2 days, and they came in box like this. So I will take them out and show you how they look. So let's open the box, and these are sneakers. The model is called this. It's called Ugg Tye. I got them in size 10. And let's see how they look like. So they came in the box with paper, and it looks like this. So let's see. Here they are. Nice, really nice quality. As you can see, they are nice and gray color. They have a gray color, like so. They're made from leather. They have this small holes here, and inside they come even with those molds, that mold shoes. It's hard to take them out. Okay. So they looks really cute. I saw them on airport when I was going from Poland to USA, and I saw them and they were really nice. Here inside they have also insole from leather, and here the leather is like together stitched. Laces are flat and I guess cotton laces. And here we have also cool Ugg label, which is made from leather, and inside they are all leather. Those were really not expensive. I got them, they were for, normally they are $140, which is a lot, but I've got them for $35, so it's really good price for such sneakers. I got size 10. I wanted size 9.5, but they didn't have it already, so I've got size 10 because they were selling out. I mean, we also had black ones, but black ones were I prefer light sneakers. As black ones had white insole. They looks like this. Funny looking. It looks like this. Actually, I'm glad I got 10. A little loose, but when you put socks you don't feel it. Because when I put socks they would be perfect, but because now I'm without socks. It looks really nice, slim, like slim look, and they are comfortable. I don't know if comfortable like other shoes. I think so, yeah. That's important. shoes are comfortable. Yeah, so it looks cute. So yeah, I will post to thumbnail. Okay, so that's my new sneakers from Black Friday. They're still online, I think. And here inside we have also some kind of leather here stitched, glued to this leather. So we have two kinds of leather, and yeah, and insole, sole looks like this. It says Ugg Thread Light. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy such unboxing. I will also have another unboxing of another sneakers that I've got on Black Friday here from Ugg Australia, and will unbox them too, so check out my channel and subscribe and hit notification bell to be notified. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.